friends, this is Vidhi and today I'm going to create an infographic design. For that I'll select an ellipse tool, hold control and draw a circle here. I'll change the size to 100 mm. I'll create a copy of this. I'll just press plus from keyboard. This is the copy. I'll change the size to 90 mm. Again I'll create a copy, change the size to 50 mm. Again I'll create a copy and change the size to 25 mm. 25 mm. Okay. Now I'll select the rectangle tool and draw a small rectangle here. I'll change the width to, I'll open this log ratio and change the width to 5 mm. Again I'll create a copy of this, change the width to 10 mm. Select both these objects, increase the height, hold shift and increase the height. Okay. Now select this circle with the shift key and press E and C to align the centers horizontally and vertically. Now I'll select both these rectangles, single click. I'll group it first, then single click and rotate it to 60 degree, 15, 30, 45 and 60 degree. Press right click to create a copy and control R, press control R to repeat the steps. Now I'll select Smart Fill tool. You can choose any color from here. I'll select red. Fill color here, here and here. Now select this object. Hold shift, select this and this. All three objects and click on weld. You got an object here. Now select this object. Press shift page down to send it back. Now I'll select polygon tool. Hold control and draw a polygon here. Change the size to from here. Change the size to 3. Now select this triangle. Hold shift and select this circle. Press C to align the centers vertically. Now select this triangle. Hold control and drag it down. I'll place it here. Okay. Now single click. Now I'll decrease the size of this first. I'll decrease the size to this much. Okay. Now single click. Place the center point at the center of the circle. Hold control and rotate to 30 degree. 15, 30. Okay. Now select Smart Fill tool. I'll change the color from here. I'll choose yellow color and fill color here and here and here. Okay. Now delete this triangle. Select this object. Hold shift. Select this and select this. All three objects. Click on weld here. Now select this circle. Select this object. Hold shift and select this object. Press alt and select this object, red color. Press Ctrl X to cut. Select all and delete this. Press Ctrl V to paste it. Now select this object, change the color to white color and select this object. Click on interactive fill tool, drag it like this. Select this color. You can also change color from here or you can click on this color, deep yellow. Select this color. Click on this color and change the color. Long press on this deep yellow color and select any shade. I select this one. I'll change it. I'll change it to this one. Okay. Now select this white color object. Click on drop shadow tool. Apply drop shadow to this. Change the feather to 5 and opacity to 40. Adjust it. Adjust the shadow like this. I'll move it. Okay, now I'll break this shadow, right click or control K to break it. Select this shadow, press shift page down to send it back. Right click on this shadow, power clip inside. Click on this object to power clip. Okay. Now select both the objects, remove outline of this. Select this object, give white color to this. I select both these objects, group it, place center point at the center of the circle, hold control and rotate to 60 degrees 15, 30, 45, 60. Press right click to create a copy and press control R to repeat this step. Now select this circle, click on drop shadow tool, apply drop shadow to this, change the feather to 5 and opacity to 40, adjust it and change the feather to 10. Okay, remove outline of this. I'll change the background. I'll give light color, shift page down, right click, lock object. Now I'll ungroup all these objects and change the color. Drag with the right click on copy fill here. Okay. Now you can place the text here. Press A and C. Select this text, place it here. Now I'll change the color. Use eyedropper tool. See, this is our design. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me in a comment section. And if you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.